Hey folks, are you still wasting hours building presentations from scratch, formatting slides, converting videos into slides, exporting to different formats? It's exhausting. Gen PPT changes everything. Create lightning-fast slides with Nano Banana 2. Turn any YouTube video into a presentation in one click, directly from Chrome. Then export instantly to any format you need. No extra steps, no hassle. Let's dive in and see how it works.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Gurrutech Solutions.
To access the Gen PPT AI official website, just hit the link in the video description and land you right on the Gen PPT AI homepage. As you can see, we're now on the Gen PPT AI official site. This powerful AI platform is powered by Claude Opus, and it generates complete PowerPoint presentations in just seconds. What makes it truly impressive is its versatility. You can create presentations from PDF files, Word documents, Excel sheets, and even YouTube videos. Here's our workspace, where we've already generated several presentations using this platform. The interface is clean, intuitive, and very user-friendly. To get started, input your prompt in the provided space, then choose between two generation modes, Classic and Nano Banana 2. Gen PPT AI has recently launched its Nano Banana 2 version, which is what we're testing today. In the Classic option, you choose from different templates, but today we're going with the newer Nano Banana 2 model. Let me input my prompt. I want to generate a presentation on how is AI changing human life. Now for preferences, I'll set the number of slides to 12, and for the slide style, I've chosen Gradient Classic, though vector illustration is also an option. You can enable internet search to pull in the latest information, generate a cover preview video with quality ranging from 1K to 4K, and choose your presentation language. Options include Chinese, French, and many more. I'll go with English. Once your preferences are set, hit Generate and the process begins. Gen PPT AI generates your presentation in 4 steps. It analyzes your request, searches for relevant materials, generates the slides, and then refines the content. Just wait a moment while it completes. Once done, your AI-generated PowerPoint presentation appears on the right side of your screen. You can scroll through the slides and review the output in real time. You can also edit the text directly and generate speaker notes for each slide, a very handy feature.
Gen PPT AI has also updated its export options. You can now export in multiple formats: PPTX, PDF, Google Slides, Google Drive, Word, and even JPG. You can also share your presentation via a shareable link, perfect for collaborating with colleagues. Let me open this in full screen. As you can see, this is the complete presentation on how AI is changing human life. Notice the speaker notes just below each slide, a great touch for presenters. These are stunning, comprehensive slides packed with detailed information. This isn't a basic presentation, it's a thorough, well-structured deck covering all the essential points. Let me export it as a PPTX file. And just like that, here's the downloaded version, ready in a single click. But we're not done. Gen PPT AI also lets you generate presentations from a variety of other sources. For example, you can create one from a YouTube video by selecting that option and pasting in the URL. But there's an even easier way: the Gen PPT AI Chrome extension. I'll drop the download link in the description. Once installed, you'll find it in your browser's extensions bar. Here's a YouTube video about the latest Google AI updates, an 11-minute video. Instead of watching the whole thing, we can convert it into a PowerPoint instantly. Click the Gen PPT AI extension, set your preferences, design style, number of slides, language, and more, then hit Generate PPT. Once complete, you'll see an option to open your AI-generated slides on the Gen PPT platform. Click it, and you're taken directly to your presentation. Here it is, a complete PowerPoint based on the YouTube video. Browse through the slides, review the content, and download in your preferred format. This time, let me export it as a PDF. Here's the downloaded version, starting with an intro slide, followed by detailed slides covering all the key points from the video. So that's how you use Gen PPT AI to create stunning PowerPoint presentations from virtually any source: a text prompt, a document, or even a YouTube video. The link is in the description, so give it a try and let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more AI content. See you in the next one.